Welcome back. Now, one of the most important aspects of UpViral is for you to be able to add people to your email marketing list with the campaigns that you are running. And what you're going to want to do is to go to the integrations area. And you're going to see a button here that says Add New Autoresponder. And you're going to be able to select from the autoresponders that UpViral has available. If you click this drop down, you'll see the autoresponders that UpViral integrates with. And you can scroll through this list. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to choose MailChimp. We're going to write in an autoresponder name. This is only for our benefit. And what UpViral requires us to do is to go inside of our MailChimp account to get the API key. We are now going to go into our account settings, and we are going to grab our API keys. We're going to paste the API key, and then we're going to click Add. And our connection has now been made. You want to be careful not to click the button a second time, as it does take time for the connection to be made. We can add in all of our autoresponders. For example, if you use a second autoresponder, you can add it. Now, for the sake of this video, we're also going to add GetResponse. And the GetResponse connection also requires us to get the API key. We're going to go to the Integrations and API within GetResponse and go to the API tab. We're now going to copy in the API key and then click Add. And our new API key is now added. As of the recording of this video, UpViral states that we need to reconnect Aweber, so we are going to go through that process. So we're going to click Add New Autoresponder. We're then going to select Aweber. And we're going to click on the Connect to Aweber API. We're then going to need to log in and state that we are not a robot. And our new Aweber connection has now been made. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.